Greetings my YouTube watchers, I'm Maciej, Mac for short, and this is CAMARO5th.GEN YouTube channel. Do you remember my last video with the Retractable Registration Plate kit unboxing? So in today's video I will show you the effect of installation. So start this video now.
In Poland there is a law that requires from driver to place the registration plate in front of the car. According to police officers it should be front bumper. But I love the look of my front bumper, so I refuse to do that. But Polish police is very strict in that matter and desperate to seek and punish everyone who doesn't want to follow the rules. So I had to do something to avoid that. And this retractable registration plate by CAMARO5th.GEN, it is the best solution for me.
Just by pressing one remote or a side switch button, my registration plate slide out from underneath the bumper. How cool is that? I absolutely love it. Come on, I will show you how it's installed.
And we will go through installation process together. First, I marked 5 holes. Then, I attached the bracket to the bumper using screws. I adjusted bracket to the line of bumper lip and tightened the screws. That was the hard part. Then I had to drag wires to inside of the car to connect module with registration plate motor. I used inspection hole in the wall and I only needed to make a hole in rubber cover and drag wires through to get inside. There's a tip for you. Gently take the plug off the wires. Get through the rubber cover and put back again. It will make work much easier. Then connect plug into 3-pin socket in module and we need to get 12 volt and negative pole. I used 12 volt lighter in center console. I soldered wires 12 volt red to green wire in lighter socket and black negative to black in lighter socket. I placed 2-pin plug in module and we are nearly done. Last thing is to find perfect location for on-off switch. My favorite was near stick shift, so I drilled a hole in a plastic and dragged wires through the hole to the module. I connected plug from switch to module and that's it. I placed the key to first position and then I switched on the module. When you hear the sound and see red LED light, it means that everything is powered up. Now you can press button on inside switch or remote controller and the registration plate should slide out and pop up. And when you press it again it will hide underneath the bumper. During this operation blue ring will blink and when finished will light still. If everything works fine, you can hide wires and module and lock them in place with plastic zip ties. Installation is not difficult but requires patience, especially when you drag wires from engine bay to inside of the car. You can find it in our store www.gromotto.com/sklep.
So thanks for watching this video and I hope you like it and I hope you like this product. You can get it in our store www.gromotto.com/sklep. And remember, all products in our store are selected by us, tested by us and we recommend them. Of course subscriptions, likes and comments will be highly appreciated. So if you can, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. And if you're interested in CAMARO5th.GEN clothing like t-shirts, sweatshirts and other, you can get them in our store. So check and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. See you again.